हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। चलो आज कुछ नया बनाने वाले हैं हम। यस, लेकिन विल नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस दैट फर्स्ट। आपको मेरे साथ बनाना है वन बाय वन, स्टेप बाय स्टेप। फिर मैं बताऊंगा हमारी गाड़ी कैसी चल रही है और किस टॉपिक पे चले। इट्स वेरी इजी पिक्चर, फ्री हैंड डिजाइंस है। मेरे साथ स्टेप बाय स्टेप बनाते रहना है आपको। नथिंग टू बी माइंड, सिर्फ माइंड करना है। ड्रॉ विद द पेंसिल पेंसिल पेंसिल, okay, not with the marker. Outline with the permanent marker, not with the sketch pen, please remember. Okay, you draw the circles, draw the 4 direction 4 circles, again somewhat similar size, freehand size. No need to take any material to make that circle, any help of to make. It's okay if they are become little left right here and there. Yeah, they are not accurate. We want freehand. Then we add the some more in between of it. As like my picture, you draw with me, okay, all of you. Not to stop in between and watch it carefully. Yes, मैंने as much more space I can cover, that much I cover. Then I'm finding if I have somewhere more space, I will still add that. Sizes are not a matter. Not to draw very much equal. Little small big will not be problem. If it's more small big, no problem. Okay, go ahead, add this much circles. When you feel occupied almost all place आपको लग रहा है जब, तो आप क्या करोगे? You will draw one more circle in between of some particular gap where you can add some other pattern also. वैसा gap रख के बनाना है, not to keep very close to each other. Okay, थोड़ा सा big small gap रख के हम बनाएंगे some more circle in between. कहीं पे कभी बाहर भी स्पेस मिल गया बड़ा वाला तो यू कैन ड्रॉ आउटसाइड सर्कल ऑल्सो, बट एटलीस्ट ड्रॉ 1-2 सर्कल्स विद द फर्स्ट सर्कल्स व्हाट वी हैव मेड इट. ओके, गो अहेड एंड चेक इट वेरी वेल, पॉज इट, वॉच इट केयरफुली एंड ऑक्यूपाई ऑलमोस्ट होल पेज. ओके, कुछ पता चल रहा है टॉपिक के बारे में? नहीं? ओके, चलो धीरे धीरे आगे ट्रेन चलेगी, वैसे ही पता चल जाएगी. ओके, यू विल गेट टू नो वेरी सून while you will draw with me. Okay, something is relevant to the festival. चलो बताओ, कुछ पता है? नहीं पता है? Okay, आगे देखते रहिएगा. Okay, see, we have to add some different patterns that can be lines, waves, mountain, curves, flower, and any other freehand patterns in between. Okay, carry on, watch it wherever you want. You can break through my patterns also. You can make it something patterns, some patterns by your own, by taking idea from it, by taking the idea from 2 part of the circles and make the third one, because I'm not going to draw all one. We'll draw it some of it. Oh, look at the flower one, lines one, they are very quite easy, they are not at all difficult, so you make it by your own. Okay, don't take the help of your parents, your brother, sister, anyone around you. Try it by your own. If you can't do it, I'm there to help you in the class. Okay, chalo, now some more curves. See, curves can be touched to the inside curve, a circle, or outside, so they both will create some different impression. And if you know some other pattern, you create it, present me in the class. Okay, look at ahead, watch it there. और कुछ बना सकता है, it can be relevant. No idea. Okay, I'm adding one more circle between. Yeah, you can also add as per your like dislike, but only to mind this picture very well. हमें ये पिक्चर ब्रश पेन से कलर करना है, so we need to outline with permanent marker only, as I repeated before. Yeah, if you will do it with the sketch pen, now what will happen? You won't be able to use your brush pen or glitter pen on it. Then you have to compulsory color with the only oil pastel. Yeah, अभी कुछ आइडिया आ रहा है पिक्चर के बारे में? नहीं? ओके, चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम, आगे और भी देखते जाते हैं. Yes, I'm adding the waves also in it. Even I will add the mountain also pattern, the triangular, diamond, circle, spiral. These are the freehand pattern. So you don't have to take the help of anything around you. आपको किसी की हेल्प लेके नहीं करना है, whether it become good or bad. But I don't think so anyone can make this picture as a bad one or good one. It will going to be one of the better activity to learn the curves, lines. This will open your hand very well. This will going to help you to make the curve lines very well, and you will train your hands to make them more confidently. Yes, so some slanting line, look at here. These are the slant line. These are not a straight line joining the 2 circles. These are the slant one. Observe the around right hand side one, top side I have made lines, and around this. So both looks different. Okay. नाउ आई एम मूविंग अहेड, समथिंग मोर विल आइडेंटिफाई दिस पिक्चर सून। मैं जल्दी से बताने वाला हूँ ये टॉपिक क्या है। ओके, आपको किसी को पता चला कुछ भी? समथिंग कुछ बोलते हैं ये मंडाला है, यस, कुछ बोलते हैं जेंटेंगल है। ओके, लेट इट बी, हाउएवर यू एलिब्रेट देम, हाउएवर यू एक्सप्रेस देम, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट। चलो आगे और भी कुछ बनाते जाते हैं, कुछ और बेटर बनने जाने वाला है। बट ये एक्सरसाइज आपको भी करना है, आपको भी देखना है अराउंड चीज़ें मतलब इफ़ यू हैव अ बेडशीट अराउंड यू, इफ़ यू हैव अ ड्रेस अराउंड यू, इफ़ यू विल फाइंड वेरी मच। आपको और एक चीज़ बताता हूँ, टुडे गूगल डूडल हैव बीन reflected on their website where they have used a different kind of cloths around the Indian different corners and they use them. You definitely watch that. आप देखोगे you will definitely get the much idea about the patterns. Okay? हाँ, my inspiration have come before that. बट ये भी बहुत अच्छी जगह है जहाँ से आप अच्छे से आइडियाज ले सकते हो। सी, कीप ओपन योर आर्ट आई, you will find thousands of inspiration, thousands of ideas around you. Okay, see these are the simple curve pattern what I have added. हाँ, अभी मैं जाने वाला हूँ आगे कुछ और जगह पे, देखते हैं ये क्या बन रहा है। ओके, एडिंग वन मोर सर्कल इन इट। फिर देखिए, इट्स नॉट लाइक अ प्लान पिक्चर, इट्स लाइक अ अननोन and whatever keeps popping up the patterns I said na, like that you have to keep adding. They are simple patterns what you used to do it in your younger age, but these are the beautiful exercise. While we connect them, we get to know the many ideas and many things. See, whenever you create any art, you find basic shape of it. Okay, it belongs to the circle shape, it belongs to the square, triangle, rectangle, so you can manage your picture effectively. ओके, अब मैंने चला दिया है मेरा ब्रह्मास्त्र, देखिए बीच में, उससे तो आपको जरूर आइडिया आ जाएगा दिस पिक्चर इज अबाउट व्हाट। पता चल रहा है? नहीं तो देखते रहिए, कुछ और पता चल रहा है। इज इट, या कुछ आइडिया आया? नहीं, अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है। ओके, आई विल टेल यू, दिस इज अबाउट द रक्षाबंधन। या अराउंड यू देयर आर मैनी राखी. Yes, we all used to celebrate, na? So I thought we'll make you do some patterns full Rakhi here and there, whole page to be filled. मैं आगे भी पूरा पेज ऐसे ही भरने वाला हूँ और भी राखी के साथ. Can you tell me what is the missing in it? कुछ मिसिंग है इसमें? नहीं लग रहा है? दिख रहा है आपको? हाँ, स्ट्रिंग ऑफ इट. यस, तो देखिए मैं स्ट्रिंग कैसे ऐड करता हूँ. वी हैव टू कनेक्ट each other Rakhi with the standing lines. Okay, we are not making any wavy line or something, just connecting the Rakhi straight line. See, here and there straight line. देखिए ऊपर से नीचे तक जाएंगे, top to bottom we will move it. The straight Rakhi, every Rakhi will connect. We will not leave that string in between somewhere. We will definitely connect them from one Rakhi to another Rakhi as I am doing in the picture. Please, again I am telling you, do not do outline with your sketch pen, outline with your permanent marker only. Few Rakhi I have kept it left like that only, that I wish you to create the patterns and submit it to me, show it to me. So let's see, even I wanted to learn from you childrens. Yeah, if you will not show it to me, I will not able to learn. There are many ideas, you have a super idea. What I always try to suggest from my students and I take it from them and I spread with my other student. Okay, like that only we can grow. Yeah, move it ahead. See, I'm connecting the all Rakhi with each other by adding some more. If you feel कि यहाँ पे बीच में और एक राखी फिट हो सकता है तो you can keep adding that. देखिए मैं आगे ऐड कर रहा हूँ, कैसे कर रहा हूँ आप देखते रहिए. See, once we connected this all Rakhi ना, then too I feel like that कि we have a several space here and there, so we can make not that much big but some little small Rakhi. Yeah, see, small Rakhi, it can be with the small pattern, not congested pattern. Do not make any congested pattern which is difficult again for next step of coloring. Yes, so we can go ahead with the basic lines, basic pattern. Two patterns in a Rakhi will fit it. देखिए यहाँ वहाँ मुझे जहाँ स्पेस दिख रहा है wherever I can feel comfortable with the pattern and Rakhi lines I'm adding together. तो मुझे क्या लग रहा है, मुझे ये पिक्चर है ना पूरा congested बनाना है. I do not want it to leave so much space. I do not want these spaces are left like a blank only. Because always mind, big place, big drawing, small place, small drawing. अभी मेरा पेज बहुत बड़ा है. I can still find the big space around it. Yes, so I can see here and there small big spaces. देखो छोटा छोटा राखी है. Something is relevant to the flower, something is relevant to the wave, something is relevant to the hearts. So different patterns. छोटे छोटे राखी, छोटी छोटी जगहों पे they are a cute one. They are popping up from. Now we are going to do the color in class only. और maybe if possible मैं और एक वीडियो सेकेंड पार्ट का डाल दूंगा which will help you to do the color part. Okay, but at least you keep ready the drawing. Yes, so in case you are absent, in case we haven't attend the class, we haven't conduct the class, तो ये picture आपको helpful हो जाएगा to create it. But make sure you keep ready this one till next class, so we can work with the again second part. You know when is the Raksha Bandhan? No, even I don't know. When is it? आपको डेट पता है? चलिए कैलेंडर ढूंढो, चेक करो. हॉलीडे मजा आएगा ना, एक दिन हॉलीडे मिल जाएगा आपको भी. ओके, चेक इट दैट इन अ कैलेंडर. इट्स कमिंग सून, end of this month. Okay, but remember not to make any half one circles. Okay, not a half one, not a curve one, half one, which makes something like I'm not fond of that. I do not like it to make it the half one. I always make it full one, not to cut the part. In case if you can fit full circle, add it. If you can't, so leave it. पूरा कर सकते हो तो ही करिएगा, नहीं तो मत कीजिएगा, नहीं तो रहने दीजिएगा. Leave it that space as a blank only. Okay, but see now when I'm adding the small circles also, I can still find that spaces are whole filled. Yes, पूरा भरा हुआ लग रहा है ना बहुत सारी राखी के साथ. कहाँ दिखती इतनी सारी राखी आपको पता है? Yes, you can see in the shop of Rakhi, which is temporary shops of Rakhi here and there. You can find the very bright colors they have it. Which is the most bright colors in it? किसी को पता है? चलो मुझे बताना. इफ पॉसिबल हम भी वही कलर यूज करेंगे हमारे पिक्चर में. या चलो, सो यू कंप्लीट दिस पिक्चर. मीट मी इन द क्लास. विल सी यू सून नेक्स्ट टाइम विथ. Remember, again I'm repeating, third time I'm repeating in this video, outline to be done with only permanent marker, not something else. Yeah, so I'm completing my picture. Some part I'm leaving, some circles I'm leaving for you. You work with your mind, you work with your ideas and present to me. Okay, meet you soon next time in a class and we'll complete this picture. Bye bye all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Will help you to plus your art knowledge. Yeah, so share with your friends, comment to me and forward to your art friends, not other friends. Okay, bye bye.